Hi guys, if you have been boosting your ad or your post through Instagram app and you are not getting a result that you need, then stick around. This video is exactly what you want. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the proper way on how you can run an Instagram campaign by using the Ads Manager. This tool gives you a better understanding on how you can control your campaign, better details targeting. Also, you can get a result for the amount of money or the budget you put for that campaign that you are running. Now, the question is, why are we using Meta Ads Manager? Using Meta Ads Manager gives you more details targeting, gives you better budget control, also advanced placement option. Using Meta Ads Manager, you can convert a single image to a video. Now, doing that, you are still going to reduce the cost per result for that ad, and you are going to still get the better results that you want for your product. Now, without wasting time, let us dive in and do this. Go to your browser, then type in fb.com/adsmanager. Enter key. So you are going to see this interface. Now simply go ahead and click on create. So here is the campaign objective you are going to choose based on your goal that you want whenever you're running a campaign using the Ads Manager. Now, since we want to run our ad through the Instagram so that people will interact with our posts, comments, likes and all, then we just go ahead and select the engagement. So once you scroll down here, you're going to see more details about the engagement. Now, get more messages, video views, posts and what have you. These are the goal you are going to get when you select the engagement campaign. After selecting that, just go ahead and click on continue. So here we have the two setup campaign we need to choose. Here is the telo message, which once you select this particular one, is going to give you the Advantage Plus, which has the higher volume. Now, based on our goal and we want to achieve, we have to go ahead to select the manual. Since we want to run our ad only on the Instagram, we're going to get people that will interact on our post on the Instagram, also for us to make sales. And just go ahead and select this manual one and click on continue. So here is your campaign ad name. Just go ahead and give it a name, any name of your choice. Then I'm going to name this IG campaign. Then have to scroll down, do not touch anything here, just leave it the way it is. Just go ahead and click next. Here you are going to, here is your ad set name. Go ahead to give it a name. I'm going to give it IG ad set. Since we want people to message us based on the product we sell and we want to make sales, we are going to leave this message destination. Then just go ahead, leave it like this. And this part is where we want the message destination to go to. We don't want the message to go to the messenger, whereby when people see our product on Messenger or Facebook, they are going to likely to send us message directly through the Facebook Messenger. We want to get message direct to Instagram since it's our focus or our message destination. Then we'll just go ahead to tick this one, then just untick this particular one here. Just scroll down, you don't need to add anything here. Here is our budget and schedule. Now this part, we have the budget and schedule, which is mainly the key important when it comes to running ad on Instagram or Meta Ads. Is the key component that has the key factors to make your campaign perform very well. Now here is your budget. Now when we talk about budget, we have two types of budget. We have the daily budget and the lifetime budget. Now the daily budget here you have here is you setting a particular amount of money you want the algorithm to charge you anytime you are running ad within the 24 hours. So once your campaign reaches that 24 hours, they are going to be charged you this particular amount. So when your campaign performs very well, they are going to charge you more than the amount you put for your daily budget. Here, once you click here, you are going to see your daily budget and your lifetime. Once you select the lifetime budget, you are telling the system or the algorithm that you want to spend this particular amount within the period of time you want your campaign to end, right? So these are the different, and you are not going to be charged more than that amount you have already set for your budget, right? So these are the difference between the lifetime budget and the daily budget. So if you really want to get more details about the difference between lifetime budget and the daily budget, just simply hold over your cursor here, then you're going to see the difference between the daily budget. Here it talks about the lifetime budget. You can also click to learn more to get more details about that. Now here is your schedule. Now whenever you are running an ad, the minimum duration for your campaign to run is 7 days to enable you get that result that you want. Now from what you can see here, we are going to run our campaign from August 3rd to 2025 to September 3rd 2025, right, with this budget that has been suggested by the algorithm, right, to let us know that hey, this amount is what we are going to charge, or that is good for your budget. You can as well go ahead to set your own budget, which gives you the flexibility to it. Now we want to run our campaign 7 days. Now what I need to do is to come here, the end date, click on it, then select 7 days. Now it's going to save. I will not have to go back here. I want to spend daily budget, right? So I just go ahead to set my daily budget. I want to spend 5,000 naira daily for the campaign. You can go ahead to set any amount you feel like you want to set, right? Your campaign, whenever you run your campaign, is going to convert. It's going to reach out to people who are likely to buy your product. So that is it. Setting 5,000 naira daily. When the campaign performs very well, they are going to charge me more than the 5,000 naira. So why am I setting this? Is to let the algorithm to understand, hey, I want to set this daily budget to 5,000 naira. Once my campaign is performing very well, charge me more than that. So you are going to be charged more than the 5,000 naira once your campaign performs very well. And once you run, this is the estimated amount you'll be charged at the end of the campaign. So always ensure that whenever you're running your ad, you always take note of your budget and your scheduling. So don't forget, the minimum duration for campaign is 7 days and above. Now let's scroll down here. Here we talk about our audience control. Our audience control is where you want to control your audience and how you want them to take action for the campaign you are running for that particular product or for your account. Right here we have the location. You can as well click here to edit. If you have a particular state you want to reach out, your campaign to reach out, or you want to target that particular country, you can go ahead to choose your country. Now let me say I don't want to target the whole country. I want to target a particular state in Nigeria. I'll just go ahead to put in those states. Then I'll have to choose city. It's going to reload. I'll scroll down here. I want to choose Abuja. Then select this Abuja here. Good. Now I just need to select one more state again. Let me say Port Harcourt. Then I'll just go ahead to select Port Harcourt. Depending on the states you want to choose for your campaign to display within that region, just go ahead and put that in there. Then I want to choose this. Go ahead to choose that state. So once you are done selecting the particular state you want your campaign to run, you can move to the next section. Also, if you don't want your campaign to reach a particular state and you don't want your campaign to run in that state, just go ahead here, select and click on exclude. Probably you can put any state of your choice and say you don't want your campaign to run within that. Just go ahead and select that. It's going to show like this. So this is how to do it if you don't want your ad to run for a particular state. So I don't want that. I'll just have to cancel it. Then here we have the age. Now here I'm going to choose the age bracket starting from 25. Now the reason why you're going to set the age is make the algorithm understand that okay, this campaign I'm running, I want my campaign to target from so age to this age. That now targeting from this age, you are telling the algorithm that hey, I want the people that these people can also purchase the item I'm selling or the product that I'm selling. So that is the reason why you need to select those age. So mind you, the age bracket you need to start from is 18 years, right? Anything below 18 years is not going to run. The algorithm is going to flag it for you. So here is when we talk about Advantage Plus and the detailed targeting. Now with this, you want to, if you have a detailed targeting whereby you want to run your ad for your campaign to show within these people that showed interest in your product, just go ahead and put that. Now based on the product, you can say go ahead to choose online shoppers. Now these online shoppers, now online shoppers are people who have already showed interest in other products, right? So once you select this, your campaign is going to reach out to these people through their device at the time when your ad is being displayed on their feed, right? Once you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of options you are going to choose. Now go ahead and choose those audience that you know that they are fit into your product or they are likely to purchase your product. Just go ahead and select this. Now these are people who have already engaged in online, purchase goods online. So these are how the algorithm will have to reach out to people based on their behavior, right? Depending on the goods you are selling or you are advertising, just go ahead to select those details targeted, and your ad is going to reach to these people who have already shown interest in luxury goods, online shopping, and shop retail. People who have already purchased offline and online is going to reach at these people on their feed. So once selecting that, just go ahead. I'm going to leave this at 4 so that I won't stock my details targeting on that. So just go ahead and scroll down. Here is where you are going to select your placements to let the algorithm know that okay, I want my ad to run between only Instagram or Facebook. Now simply come here and click on edit. So once you select the Advantage Plus placement, your ad is going to run both Instagram and Facebook. In this video, we want our ad to only run on Instagram. Now let's go ahead to select the manual placement. So go ahead to click that. So after clicking that, you are going to see the Facebook and Instagram. So just go ahead to untick Instagram, right? So that is it. Just go ahead, scroll down. There's nothing there. Just now I'm going to explain more things here. Let's go ahead and click on this part. Good. Now, whenever you're running campaign on the ads manager, ensure that you are targeting the audience of from 1 million and above audience, right? And ensure that you are targeting a broad audience, right? That this is always on the green whenever you are running your campaign. To find out that this particular part have to take effect, go ahead to tick it, then unselect this also as well. So that is it. Based on your budget and the duration you have set your campaign. Now these are the number of people you are going to reach daily. So once you increase your budget, you find out that this number is going to increase. Okay, let me show you that. You just have to scroll up. Let's give example that I'm putting the budget to 10,000 naira, then enter key, and when we scroll down, you will find out that our budget is going to take effect. Now you can see it has increased to 1.7k to 5,000 people daily we are going to reach. So that is the reason why I say that your budget and your duration of your campaign has an impact when it comes to people you are going to reach and people who are likely to buy your product or people who are likely to purchase your product. So that is it. Now when it comes to the conversion, which you talk about the message you are going to receive or people who are going to reach out to you are going to be daily from 0 to 6 people are going to reach out to you daily based on the budget you have set. Now once you are done with your budget here, just go ahead and click next. Good. Here you have to put in the name. It does not matter the name you choose. Now scroll down here, you are going to find where you are. Here is your ad setup where you are going to choose. If once you click here, you're going to choose if you're going to use your existing post that you have already or you want to create a new post that you need to add a new one. Just go ahead to select that. Now I'll go ahead to select this as well. Depending on the particular post you want to use, probably you want to use a flexible, which is going to be a format of predicting maybe it's going to perform better or not. So whenever you're running ad, I will always recommend you choose this or this carousel or this. Now also the format you use when it comes to your ad level also determine how much your cost per result for that campaign is going to perform for you. So also I always recommend if you're going to use a single image or video or still slideshow. Now using a video or slideshow is going to help you reduce your cost per result, yes, than when you use a single image. Once you use a single image, it's not going to give people the more option to see more about your product. That is why it is good for you to use it, or it is advisable to use a video or a slideshow with a multiple image to ensure that okay, you are getting the attention of people based on the product or whatever you are advertising. So that is it. Now when you're using a carousel, you are using a multiple product or image or photo that you upload that you want to advertise, where people are going to get a more option to choose, get more option for them to click, or it's going to trigger them to click on that post that you are running so far. So I'll just go ahead to select a single image. Then after doing that, just go ahead to select the particular one. So in this video I want to select a slideshow image. I'll just go ahead to select this. So I'll just go ahead to select those products that I want to advertise. Here just go ahead to select one. click on it, then click next. Done. Now we want to convert it to a slideshow. To enable us to do that, just go ahead to click on this edit, turn into a video. So if you have a lot of images here, you just go ahead and select that. Since we don't have that here, just go ahead to upload one. Just go ahead to select all this, just select them one after the other. Just keep on doing that. Just go ahead and select the images that you want to advertise. So once you are done uploading those images, just simply go ahead to select the one you want, because you are going to be seeing a preview of it, how it's going to display. You can also scroll down here to find the one you need to choose. Like this, you can scroll down here. This is how it works. So we'll go ahead to select this slideshow. Click on it. You can also choose if it is 5 seconds for a particular image to display before the next one have to show. Just go ahead to select the number of it. Select each number here, probably 3 seconds, 4 seconds, or 5 seconds. So after doing that, just go ahead and play it here to see how it's going to display. So this is how it's going to display. Now just once you are through or you are satisfied with the number of the display, just go ahead to click on create. So give it a time and it is going to load completely. Okay, we have successfully uploaded this here. Once you are done uploading the image and converted it to slideshow, just go ahead to put down the text that you want so that it's going to display to people, so people will understand what you are selling and what is all about your product. After doing that, just simply go ahead and select the call to action. So we want people to send us a message, interact with our product, ask, and people who are likely to buy. So simply go ahead to select send Instagram message. So after doing that, we have to scroll down. You can also select a start of conversation, whereby once people click on the particular ad, these are the message they are going to see first to enable them start having interaction with your product when they send you a DM through your Instagram directly. So here we don't need to do anything. You have to leave this like this. It doesn't have any effects. Just leave it. Go ahead with the description of the product you want to tell people about it. Just go ahead to do that here. So after doing that, you don't need to do anything as well. So once you are done, you just go ahead to click on publish. Also, if you want to see where the product is going to display, what you're advertising is going to show and how it's going to show on people's mobile device or their laptop, just simply come here to click on it. You have a full view of it. Then it's going to show on the Instagram Explore Home, Instagram profile feed, and Instagram feed is where your campaign is going to advertise in people's device. Also, once this is for the tablet, for the smartphone also is going to display on the Reels and Story also. So that's how it's going to display. Here is how it's going to display on mobile device. So that is it. If you really want to get more details about it, simply come here and click on advice preview. This is how the ad is going to run or display on Instagram. So that is it. You can cancel it from here. After previewing, campaign is going to run. Just go ahead and click on publish. So this is the best way to run Instagram campaign and get more results for your products, or people who are going to reach out to you also make sales from it. If you are on a tight budget as a small business owner, you can go ahead to reduce the budget based on what you can afford, and you are still going to get the return of investment for that campaign that you are running on Instagram by following the step-by-step process I've walked you through in this video. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, don't forget to drop it on the comment section below. I'll be responding to those questions. In my YouTube channel, I'll be dropping video concerning technical issues, how you can resolve them, and how you can grow your business when it comes to social media and Instagram. See you, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.